Hey guys, so if you didn't already know, my name is Mecca, and today I'm going to be doing a Dollar Store makeup tutorial. I was inspired to do this tutorial just shopping at the Dollar Tree because I realized just how expensive it is being an adult and especially being a college student. So I was just really wanting to give people an opportunity to see what kind of products were available, to see the quality, and to see that they don't have to spend hundreds of dollars on makeup and still can get an interesting and cute look. And I think this is especially helpful if you're just getting started with makeup and you're looking for products to kind of test out and try before you move on to the higher end brands. So hopefully there is some products in here that you all like, and hopefully this look turns out okay. This is my first time, so this is kind of like a challenge for me. The first thing I'm going to be doing is my brows, and I will be using the ColorMates Brow and Eyeliner Pencil in the color Black Brown. So hopefully this color matches the current color of my eyebrows. Basically, I just start by drawing a straight line underneath my brow on both of the brows. And you want to do this pretty lightly. And then so after I've made that straight line, I like to go to the top because I already plucked down the arch when I do my natural brows, so I don't really have to worry about like drawing underneath that part. So I go to the top and I do the same thing, draw a line there and connect it to my arch. So that's my eyebrow. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. And then I just make sure to fill in any spots that look sparse. Okay, and remember guys, eyebrows are sisters, not twins. So next, I will be doing concealer under my eyebrows just to clean up the space. So this is LA Colors Buildable Concealer in the color Beige. Already, I like this brush. I don't know why. So to do the concealer, you're just literally going to make sure you don't have too much on the actual brush. And then you're going to go under your eyebrow. And then you also do it on the top. Be very careful of here. I like to blend mine down so that I keep the really straight line. Okay. You do the same thing for the top. So, just taking my little angled brush here. I really like having defined arches, especially because my eyebrows are so thin. Now for the eyes, I'll be using LA Colors 6 color eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to be choosing probably this dark color for my base because you just want something neutral, close to your skin tone to do the full lid. And then I'll be spicing it up with some of these colors. But what I'm most excited for is this Wet n Wild color icon. It's in brass and it's this like glitter single. And I just think it's gonna add a nice like fancy touch to the whole look. Blending that in. Take it again, slide it around into the center. After going in and blending the glitter a little more and adding a few more hints of purple to the crease, I decided I like the eyeshadow look and we're going to continue. Next we're going to do lashes, and I have the ColorMates Diva lashes, and it comes with the gel, so yay. I'm trash at putting on lashes, so please don't judge me. These are really dramatic. I guess I'm going for a holiday look. So you take your lash, and I just hold mine like this so that it's secure, okay? And then you just take a little glue and apply it onto the lash band. So now I simply hold it at both ends, place it under my eye, and wait. But first you want to shake out the lash, give it some time to kind of get like a tacky consistency before you place it on your eye. It just kind of helps. Now, do I think these lashes look natural? Meh. But we'll see. Eyelashes are the hardest part of the makeup routine. This is why I don't usually wear them. Okay. So then, just like anything with glue, you kind of want to like press down into it, let it sit for a while. Make sure it's really like on there, okay? And I do that just by pressing on the band. Lashes are done and on. Now, I got this Wet n Wild Enhance and Define cruelty-free, soy protein enriched mascara. So, in the color Very Black. Here's what the wand looks like. And that's pretty good. I'm only going to be using this really to blend my natural lashes with the fake ones. Okay. Okay, so I have no issues with this mascara. None at all. Went on easy. Now I'm going to apply a face powder, and this is by e.l.f. in the color Toffee. Just rub this all over your face. In a nice sweeping motion. I really like this concealer under my eye. It was fine for my eyebrows, but I'm going to add some more. And then last but not least, I literally just take my pinky and follow this line. So the next thing I'm going to be applying, which is pretty much my final step before lips, is my LA Colors powder blush, and it's supposed to be like a highlighter. And I've actually used pretty much the same highlighter before, and I didn't think it was that bad. This also comes with an applicator brush. And the highlight again is applied to my eyebrow crease, my inner eye, and also my cheek. And last but certainly not least for our tutorial is the Wet n Wild Skill Finish, okay? This is described as dark wine. It's chock full of vitamins and antioxidants. So I don't know if you're going to find those in your high-end brands. And it feels like silk on the lips, so we're going to see. We're going to see if it meets those claims. My lips feel more moisturized than they did before I even put this on, so that's kind of amazing.